In this video, I'm going to be talking about why high ticket affiliate marketing is the blueprint that you need to follow in order to get financial freedom. Hey, my name is Castillo. Welcome to my channel. If this is the very first time you're in my channel, consider subscribing to the channel because I'm actually sharing a lot of tips, strategies, and mindset that you need to follow if you really want to be successful with affiliate marketing. So if this is the very first time, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Now, just in case that you don't know me, my name, well, as I mentioned, is Diana Castillo. Since 2018, I have been doing affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing basically is a way in which you can promote other people's product and services, and you're gonna get a commission for that. The commission can go from 10% to even 100%. Okay, and there are different types of products. After testing a lot of things, I consider that high ticket affiliate marketing is definitely something that you need to put, an eye on this and take action if you really want to be financially free. Okay, let me share with you some of the keynotes that I do have here. First of all, affiliate programs that offers high ticket backend offers, are those that we consider high ticket. Okay, this allows you to earn thousands of dollars from a single sale. And don't worry, you do not need to be closing sales. You don't need to be a salesperson. I'm not even a salesperson. I don't consider myself a salesperson. But these are programs that, first of all, you need to believe on. Okay, and there is a process involved in order to get these high ticket commissions. Okay, these products that I'm talking about are going to be digital courses, but not any kind of courses, but courses in which you are going to having, a coaching, if you're going to have a mentoring. Also, this can be a separate coaching program. It can be retreats. It can be mastermind. So it's going to be something that is going to be offering people a really high value. Okay, and there's a lot of people out there who are really to invest on this because they know that if they want to go ahead into what they call the next level, or they want to have a one-on-one six-figure or even a seven-figure coach, they need to invest so we can serve them best. Okay, it's hard, to be, providing a lot of value if we are not with a small amount of people. Okay, that's something that you need to take into consideration. But if people do not have, the money to have like a really high quality program in which you're gonna be served with coaches and all that stuff, you are not gonna get the best of the best. Okay, so why high ticket affiliate marketing? Well, first of all, there are a lot of people out there who are willing to invest more money. Another thing is that you own the customer. What do I mean by owning the customers? I'm pretty sure that if you're watching these videos, chances are that you are already doing affiliate marketing or you're considering doing affiliate marketing. Maybe you know about Amazon and you are like, okay, that's a great way in which you can actually earn money. But there is a huge but. First of all, the commissions are really low. Okay, so I think right now Amazon is paying like 3%. So that means that if someone purchased $100 product, or the cart is $100, you're gonna earn just $3. If that person returns and he or she places another order, you are not gonna be earning money. But with high ticket affiliate programs, you are gonna be earning money. Okay, so if that person decides to go ahead and invest more, okay, you are going to be earning money. So it is actually your customer. Okay, having a higher price product allows you to have a positive ROI on paid traffic. Okay, chances are that right now you are not considering doing paid traffic, but if you want to scale and grow your business in the future, you're going to be doing it. And it's really hard to be profitable with paid traffic if you are selling low ticket products. Okay, even you're going to be frustrated. Okay, also you have the possibility to run out of budget before you have a positive ROI because of the ticket of the product. Okay, it's not because you have a bad campaign, it's because you need to optimize it a lot. And in order to do that, there are a lot of tweaks and changes that you need to be doing. Okay, also you need more money in order to do all the tweaks to have it profitable with a low ticket product. And one of the most important thing, and this is all about the mindset, it is easier to sell 1,000 products than selling 1,000 products that you are going to be, or actually you're not going to be charging, but the producer, the content creator, okay, or is this actually a physical product, charge $100. At the end of the day, these both numbers are gonna help you earn 6 figures. Okay, so it's easier to sell 100 times $1,000 product than to sell 1,000 times $100 product. I know, and I make this mistake at the very beginning, that I was like, well, but my program or the product that I'm promoting, it's gonna help a lot of people, so everybody's gonna buy it. No, not everybody's gonna buy it. Okay, not everybody is ready to make the purchase, and we are there investing time, investing money, and that's a reason why a lot of people quit, because they do not understand this. It's all about mindset, but no one's actually talking about this, and this is a reason why I'm mentioning this to you guys. This is actually based on my experience. Okay, how you're gonna get, or you're gonna make money with high ticket. Well, first of all, you are gonna be getting interested people. Okay, you're gonna grab interested people, and you're gonna guide them to the front end of the program. Okay, you're gonna guide them to the front end of the program. Okay, what's this front end is gonna be? Okay, this is gonna be a page. Okay, you're gonna drive traffic to that page. That's it. This page can be several things. It can be something for free, it can be a webinar, it can be a challenge. Okay, there are several things here, and they take care of the rest. Okay, because we are going to allow the system and the sales team to close the sales for us. Okay, so this is perfect if you are having a regular 9 to 5 and you're looking, to quit and escape from it. When I started affiliate marketing, I don't have one job, I actually have 2 jobs at the time, and I was really frustrated because I have to work a lot in order to earn money online. Okay, I have to work a lot in order to earn money online, and I was like, well, this is not something for me. I knew that if I put the time and effort, I will be success. Or success, it depends on you. You don't need to be rich in order to consider yourself successful with a digital business, because I have a digital business in the past, but I need to put time and effort, and by having 2 jobs at the time, it was really, really hard. Also, just in case that you don't know me, I suffer from a scam. Yeah, someone actually stole from me a lot of money, more than 6 figures, and that person put credit cards, loans, in my name, so I need to pay those. That's one of the reasons why I have 2 jobs at a time. I was forced to sell my business, and it was really, really difficult. Okay, so that's another reason why I'm talking about mindset here, because if you do not believe in yourself, if you do not believe that you can do it, it's going to be hard. But trust me, I know you can do it. Okay, if there is another person out there who is getting the results that you want, hey, you can do it as well. Now, if you want to learn more about this and you want to know what's my number 1 recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description, and I see you inside.